Unit 6, Mixed Review Number 2. Carol is 7.5 years old. Darcy is 9 5/6 years old. How many years older is Darcy than Carol? So our clue here is how many years older. If I want to know how much older someone is, I'm going to subtract the two ages because how much older she is should be a smaller number. So we're going to do 9 5/6 minus 7.5. But first we've got to change that 7.5 to a fraction. And it's as simple as saying the number. This is 7 and 5/10. So that's going to be 7, the whole number, and 5/10. 5 over 10. So 7 and 5/10. We're going to subtract those, keep those fractions and whole numbers separated. So fraction side first, we've got 6ths and 10ths. We can't subtract those the way they are. We need to make them the same. And so a 6 and a 10 could both become a 30. That'd be the lowest number that they both can become. Now, some of you may realize that 5/10 will simplify to 1/2. And if you do that, then your common denominator could be a 6. But I kept the 10, so I'm going with 30. So one fraction at a time. How does a 6 become a 30? Well, we do times 5. So if we do times 5 on the bottom, we do times 5 on the top so that we're multiplying by a big 1, 5/5. 5 times 5 is 25. Now, if we go down to the bottom fraction, how does a 10 become a 30? Well, you do times 3. And so times 3 on the top, 5 times 3 is 15. So now we're doing 25/30 minus 15/30. And if you need to, go over to the side and do that 25 minus 15, and you find that you've got 10/30 left. And now we've got to ask that very important question, will this simplify? And yes, it will. It's one of those simple simplifies. You just knock out the zeros. In other words, we divided by 10 on the top and bottom. So divide by 10, divide by 10, we get 1/3. Now, will 1/3 simplify? No, you can't get any simpler than a 1. So fraction side's done. Now for the whole numbers, 9 minus 7 is 2. Now put those two together and we get 2 and 1/3 as our correct answer. 2 and 1/3.